This is just insane that I'm about to open this. Oh my god, my name is on it. Do you remember your first subscriber? Probably not. 100?
Hola guys! Yay! Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel.
You're 1,000?
Hey guys, welcome back. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. The first day when I applied, I was like on fire. So yeah, it's gonna burn. Ask me, how do you wash your hair? And I go,
We know that you'll definitely remember your 100,000 subscribers. We are 100,000 subscribers. Thank you. I wish I could hug you. To honor your impressive milestone of reaching 100,000 subscribers with the Silver Creator Award. Congratulations! Guys, look at this! This is like my precious! Presented to Doro Cubillo for passing 100,000 subscribers. Now that I have 100,000 subscribers, no paparazzis, please. I can see my silly face. It seems unreal. I'm not gonna cry. I'm gonna blur this. Oh no, I just have iMovie. I don't want to get corny. I still cannot believe it that 3 months ago we were only 10,000 people. This milestone, it always has been my dream. To me, it just means the world. Out of this world, that 100,000 people wanted to see this face. All I can say, thank you so much for all the support. Community that we are is an amazing community. We help each other, we just love each other like we were family, because that's what we are. It's just so beautiful to see, and I'm so excited for so many things to come. And all I hope is that we can keep spreading love and help each other to accomplish our dreams. I just love you guys so much. I just do. Thank you guys. Yeah. I want to call my mom. Te iba a enseñar algo.
A ver. Mami, qué hermosa, mami. Eso significa muchas horas de desvelo, de angustia, de jalarse el pelo.
Ay, mira qué lindo.
Felicidades, amor.
Oh. Congratulations. Doesn't play.
Are you trying to play it?
Yeah, it's really cool. That's gonna be a cool thing to put up in your room.
Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. I know it's a little bit corny, and we hope, her and me, to see you in the next video. Pura Vida!